today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to use a free tool you probably have not heard about for your Amazon product research. So this tool is a tool called Yasiv, YASIV.com. If you haven't heard of it, then stay tuned. I'm going to be showing you how to use it for a few different things. Before we get into it, if you don't know who I am, my name's Sharon. I'm an FBA seller, mother, wife, entrepreneur, and an FBA coach. I created this channel to bring out as much videos on Amazon as I can. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. It's really helping me to grow this channel. So let's get started. Okay, so I am inside of my computer. You can see that I'm on Yasiv.com. This is what it's going to look like. Sometimes people think they're in the wrong website. This is what it's supposed to look like. So I'm going to click on I am not a robot because I need to click on that in order to move forward. So you need to type in here a keyword for a category or whatever it may be. It's going to first of all come up in books. So I prefer to change this to all. I mean, unless you're looking for a specific category, but I'm going to change this to all. So I just want to make it clear that you can use this tool for so many different things. So it can be used for product discovery. It can be used for bundling, finding bundling ideas. It can be used for adding products to your specific brand. If you're already selling, a specific product and you're looking to grow your brand, then you could be using this tool for that. Great tool for that as well. You could also use Yasiv for PPC. And no one really talks about this, but I've used Yasiv for PPC. Basically, what you would do, and you guys will see it soon, is, it's going to show you all the frequently bought with, or products that doesn't have to necessarily be frequently bought with, but products that someone has bought this product, they've also bought this product and that product. You're going to see just like a map or a web of information. So you could also use that for ASIN targeting or category targeting or whatever it may be. I'm going to approach this now as for product research. So I've decided to use beeswax food wrap as an example. This is a product that I do not suggest to get into anymore. I have been sent this product numerous, it's at least twice or 3 times a day. People send it to me as a product as a potential product, and it's just become very, very saturated very, very quickly. It is review dependent and has also become got into a price war, and this specific brand is also the brand that is taking most of the sales. So why am I showing this to you? Because if you've been looking into this, you could go ahead and use Yasiv to really look at other related products to this. This is what Yasiv looks like. I'm just going to close this. This is just everything in a list, rather than if the map or these arrows is overwhelming for you. You could look at the list here, but I want to look at this. So if I zoom out of it, just so you guys understand what it looks like, this is what it looks like. So right now it looks tiny, and but just understanding how crazy this tool is. It's such a powerful tool to use. I'm zooming in. So the most arrows come to this. Look at how many arrows, yellow arrows. So because this is the bestseller, as I said, and it's just showing us the amount of alternative products or it could be complementary products or whatever it may be that people have bought that have also bought this product. So I can see a lot of products that I already know, like the silicone bags, which is very, very saturated, and mesh bags and things like that. But this is, I don't want to start actually doing the whole qualifying a product because it'll just make this video very, very long. If you haven't already watched my product research flowchart video, you should, after this video, go ahead and watch that. I'll put a link for that down below. And basically that video, there's a PDF for it in my Facebook group that you can print. And basically it's showing you, it's like a checklist basically, and it's a very powerful checklist that you can basically, check off, and it'll show you how to qualify a product as a potential product. But anyway, if we have a look into this, if we just like follow some of these arrows that are going, you know, just look at all the different types of products. So obviously most of these are eco-friendly products because beeswax food wraps are eco-friendly alternatives. What is this? Reusable sandwich bags, snap bags. So reusable, when you think about reusable sandwich bags, they're usually those silicone bags that are very, very saturated. I haven't seen this, so this could be interesting. If I click on it, you'll see. If you click on it, then it'll come up over here. You can click on the link and it'll take you straight to Amazon. It'll show you their sales rank, so I can see that this is a low sales rank. It'll show you the price point it's being sold at, so this is, you know, a pretty good price point. It'll show you the customer reviews, which you can click on as well. Okay, and start going through that, and product description. That's over here. So you can really have a look at it. Customers often buy this product with, etc. And you can see, so you can just understand, this is like doing the whole rabbit hole product research for you. You know, maybe this is an interesting product, maybe it isn't, I don't know. You'd have to really follow that and start looking into it. But, you know, just look at all these. We started with an alternative to like a food wrap, the beeswax food wraps, and look at all these other products. So maybe if you're selling this product, you know, these are other products that you could look into. I don't know, like what socks and these electronic, these are probably just alpaca socks, like made out of alpaca wood. That's interesting. I don't know, maybe someone would be interested to sell alpaca socks. But anyway, I just wanted to make a quick video and show you guys how powerful this tool is. Just look at all these products that have come up. You know, you could also decide to do this by category and not by a specific product. So I could also go in and, you know, type in whatever, like eco-friendly products, for example. And it's just very, very powerful. So I've also just zoomed in a little so that you guys can really see, like, just, this is, every time I see this, it's just overwhelming just how, you know, how amazing this tool is. Look at all of these products that have come up. Now, you could use this, you know, I could, let's pretend I wanted to look into this product, and I'll just move myself again. I'm going to click on it and it will come up on Amazon. And let's just say that I've looked at it, I've gone through the product research flowchart and realized it's not such a good product to get into. I could then, you know, start doing the continue by, you know, doing the rabbit hole on Amazon. So you may start on Yasiv and then like move on to other things. I could then take, you know, this specific ASIN and, you know, go to Cerebro on Helium 10. And, you know, there's just so many different things that I could use it for. And it's just a really, 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 really powerful tool. So it is a short and sweet video. I hope that you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up. Comment below if you have any questions or you just like to say something about the video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. It's really helping me to grow this channel. If you are not part of my Facebook group, I have an amazing community with a lot of free information. And I'll put a link for that down below. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next video.